In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change language setting in Microsoft Word. So let's go. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Microsoft Office. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to change your default language setting in Microsoft Word. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to come down below right here and make sure you look for options. So click on options. Then after click on option, this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to language. Then from language right here, you have to make sure you click on add a language. Then right here, you can simply scroll down and choose your particular language. Having chosen a particular language, just click on install right here. And by default, all the language is going to be automatically set from the English to whatever language of your choice. So this is how to change your default language in MS Word. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about MS Word tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.